Because I know you didn't want to learn. Oh, it looks like you got the Greek swords. Don't worry, it's just the SS Gamer. At least the SS Gamer's safe. So as you can see here, we're in the great ancient Greek.
Oh wow.
Don't worry, it's very interesting. That's why I made this boat. So as I see you already took, these are ancient Greek weapons. These are so rare, we don't even see them anymore. Now let's get them. Well, you already got them, but I need to get mine. Where'd my sword go? Oh, man, just don't try to steal my sword. Anyway, it's almost nighttime, so let's bring Scarlet. Okay, do we have everything that we need? Okay, hopefully you have all your food you need, and let's go. Okay, Matches, come on, let's go. And just in case if something bad goes wrong, we have some boats, so take a boat. So welcome, Ola, to ancient Greek Rome. Even though I lied to you, we're going to be going, with the SS Gamer, we are going to many magical adventures. Jeez, the world looks so weird back then. Ola, Scarlet, Ola, Scarlet's burning she just died. You can never keep that cat alive since you ever got her. Oh my god, it's so ancient. I will take over this place. I will call this the new Gamer Nation. What do you think about it, Ola? That is not true. Got him. Dang. So this is what the world of Minecraft looked like when, well, back then, really. Ugh. You're ugly. You're a cleric. Librarian. You could have killed a blacksmith, Ola. Oh. Dang it, Matches. I told you never get hurt on this trip. Here you go. Go on, Ola. More exploring awaits us. Anyway, back down to Rome, villagers look more prettier. Like now, they look really ugly. And that's what Enderman looked like back then.
Oh wow.
Those are what Enderman looked like. Every mom looks weird now. Throughout the years, the Enderman got blacker and blacker and blacker. Many things happen here. Come on, Ola. Shh, shh, shh. Ola. Shh, shh, shh. This is what a creeper looked like back then. Ah! Never mind. Come on, Matches.
What's that?
What's what? Oh, these are called the Roman games, where you try to always go in the bowl, and whoever makes it to the bowl wins. Oh, God. You want to explore, don't you? Yeah, I'm gonna go to the bowl. See ya.
Oh, okay.
Wait, don't you have ender pearls?
Yeah.
Can you just basically just jump over almost everything? Hey, Ola, look. Oh, crap. Ola, I'm near the entrance.
Whoa.
I've never seen this before. Come on, let's go see it. Huh. Juked. Whoa. And these are ancient Greek sculptures. You can tell by the reading they were very... Dang it, all we need light. Dang it, now I can't even place it down. And these are what skeleton skulls look like back. God dang it, Ola! Ah, it burns! Well, crap. Oh, my dog's dead again.
Oh, wow.
We can never take him somewhere safe. In the middle is a fighting arena. Ola, you okay?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh.
See ya. Wait, look, a hole to get out. Skadoosh! Ah! Ah!
Whoa.
Ola, I found an arena. Ola, over here is called a centaur. Don't be careful. If you fight one, you can easily... God dang it, Ola! Bad Ola. Now make friends with it.
Oh, okay, sure.
I'll be back in 1 second.
What is that? Oh.
Say you're sorry! Okay, looks like you're not sorry. You dead?
No.
Bad Ola. Bad Ola. Bad Ola. Bad Ola. Bad Ola. Stop killing nature. Bad Ola. And that means you're gonna go with Satan then. No. Actually, no, I'm just gonna leave you down here. Have fun.
Oh, okay, man.
It's a Spartan statue! Ola, come over here! It's a Spartan warrior from ancient times!
Whoa.
God dang it, Ola. What the heck? Someone's ship crashed. Don't worry, our ship's not gonna crash. And here's the Sparta warrior, Ola. This guy's protected the whole entire Spartan nation. If anything happens to them, people from Sparta will try to kill you. Ah, good memories. Hey, Ola, you want to see something even more cooler? You know what? You killed nature! Ah, hey, Ola. Oh, I think that's enough. Come on, let's go. Let's go back home. I'm tired. Oh, by the way, I can now run on water. Watch. I can now run on water. Yay! Nah, I'm just kidding. I don't know, like, get your boat. We're leaving. To the SS Gamer and away! That ends another story of Ola and Brandon. Hello, news and pros of Gamer Nation. I am the Super Saiyan Gamer Guy, and I have my trusty sidekick Ola, and welcome to a new series I like to call Around Minecraft, where we go to different places around Minecraft. So if you like this series, give a thumbs up, and we'll do more of it. Next time, more likely, will be a holiday. Isn't it? Would you like that, Ola, holiday? I might trick you to go into Disney World again.
Oh. Wow.
So that's enough for this time, guys. I'll see you guys in the next episode. Or like, subscribe to my videos. I'm sorry I'm not uploading that much videos. I suck. I believe I can fly. See you guys next time. You have such horrible aim. So that's enough for this time, guys. Bye. Can I snipe him? Can I snipe? Oh, no, I can't. Oh, well. I tried.